I am 46, I cook Greek food in my house. And I am here many years, in Greek church, 26 years, start the festival, and we make Greek food. Some Canadian people ask for butter, but I say Greek people no eat butter with bread. I'm sorry. Yeah. And the cook, the souvlaki, we have, the young people do that this year. They do that this year, same style we start. We make here, cut and make here, no buy ready. Oh, make 100 pastichos, 2,000 diples, sweet, 100, πώς τα λένε τα ταψιά? Trays baklava, maybe 70 trays kandaifi, kurabiedες, how many pieces? Maybe 1,000 pieces. Yeah, too much sweet. Yeah, too much. All family have this together family for Greek food and Greek sweets. And I like that.